Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You should sign into your Microsoft account and enable rewards right away. This unlocks point tracking. Once signed in, make Bing your default search engine on desktop and mobile so every search counts. Next, sync the browser profile across devices to consolidate points. This saves time. Now, begin the first actionable steps. Complete the daily search quota, open the daily quiz, and answer the poll. These immediate actions generate consistent base points while you set up automation and routines. Once your accounts and devices are ready, focus on higher-yield activities that require more attention. You can use the Bing Mobile app plus desktop to reach both search caps, and make sure you use Microsoft Edge for extra bonuses. Also target advanced quizzes, promotional offers, and the curated daily sets. These add up faster than casual searches. Make a schedule, 30 to 60-minute sessions where you blitz through searches, quizzes, and offers to avoid distractions and maximize daily point throughput. Finish by redeeming points strategically. Pick rewards that match your goals because small frequent redemptions prevent loss. Then, verify your account region and device sync if points seem missing, since region settings affect available activities and caps. Make sure you haven't exceeded daily search limits and clear cache if activity isn't registering. If points still don't appear, take screenshots of completed tasks, wait 24 hours for processing, and contact Microsoft support with evidence to resolve discrepancies quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.